My name is Jack Wilson, and I'm the Auto Service 2 instructor at the Lake County Tech Campus, and I'm here to talk to you today about our third annual Raffle car. This year, we are hosting a 2013 Lincoln MKZ all-wheel drive, fully loaded, black on black, and you're gonna love it. When we got the car, it came in with an engine knock, and we had our auto service students do some engine diagnostic testing to determine the cause of failure. At that point, we moved forward to remove the engine from the car. So all the different students throughout the day in the different classes got an opportunity to get their hands involved in removing the engine and the drivetrains from the vehicle. So regardless of what level or skill set the student is at, some of the higher skilled students versus some of the more entry-level students, they all got to have some different part in completely taking the drivetrain out of the vehicle and seeing the process from start to finish. We're very fortunate to have some very good donors that participate in our program that help with parts and supplies, etc. We were able to get a matching engine to the vehicle and make some needed updates, etc. to get the vehicle back up and running. Students then took that replacement engine, made all the repairs that needed to be made, new gaskets and filters, etc., and put it back together and got it back up to running condition. Once we had the vehicle running and back up on the road, gave us an opportunity to go through and assess systems of the vehicle and make some determinations about some other repairs that need to be made. The vehicle also had some light body damage where we called in on our collision repair program, and they began to do some body works and body repair and actually repainted the right rear quarter panel on the vehicle. Once we got the vehicle all completed and back together, we were able to send it out and have it detailed and have it all looking brand new, nice and spiffy for all of you to get excited about what we have to offer you. When we back up a little bit and we think about why we're running this program, there is a significant skilled labor shortage in this country. Not just in the automotive sector, but all the different skilled trades across the board. And when we think about how can we make an approach or improvement in this gap of skilled trades, it comes down to awareness and training. At the youngest levels with students in education, they need to know all the different options and the different opportunities that await for them as they continue through their educational path. The Tech Campus offers training in all of the different skilled trade areas, such as culinary arts, collision repair, building trades, cosmetology, the list goes on and on. And this is all an example of all the different skilled trades areas that we are lacking in this country. We put this program together to show and to be a representation of what our students can do, what their possibilities are, to bring awareness to other students to see what our students are capable of doing and completing while they're still in high school. Not only is this car a representation of the work that our students do, it's a representation of the partnerships that we've built throughout the county and all the different businesses that support our students, our programs, and the Tech Campus. And the Tech Campus, in turn, is supporting these businesses. Over the next 2 months, the vehicle is going to be featured at the Tech Campus and then at 7 of our over 30 hosting internship sites throughout the county. Each week, the vehicle will be located at a different site that currently sponsors one or multiple of our auto service students for work-based learning activities. You can track where the car is at our website, techcampus.org. And lastly, but not least, I want to give a special thanks to all of our sponsors that have made this project possible and to put more tools in the hands of our students in our Tool Scholarship Program. To John at D&E Auto Parts, to Scott at AutoWare's Bumper to Bumper Auto Parts, to Chad at Weeby Wax and Detailing, to BBB Industries, and to Andre at Andre's Paintless Dent Removal, and of course, all of our over 30 work-based learning partners that are currently sponsoring automotive service internships. For the third annual year, the Raffle car is supporting our Tool Scholarship Program. Students are able to apply for Tool Scholarships that is funded by the Raffle car. In years past, many students have been awarded tools that are valued over $3,000 per kit. The purpose of the tools is to give them a stepping stone to help them start their path in the automotive industry. The Raffle car is the funding piece that funds the Tool Scholarship. What we've in turn done is created a program that takes the student's talent, showcases the training at our school, showcases the partnership that we've built throughout the county, and utilizes the funds from that project to put tools in the hands of the students in our future workforce. Starting March 1st, we are going to be selling tickets. Tickets can be sold online, tickets can be purchased in cash, and the vehicle will be traveling throughout the county. There's no limit on ticket sales. You can purchase 1 ticket, you can purchase 2 tickets, you can purchase 10 tickets. It's totally your call. Winner need not be present. You can be at any location throughout the country, for that sake, throughout the world. And that winner will be drawn on Tuesday, May 7th at our annual awards night on Facebook Live.